Hey everyone, welcome back to Maker. Have you ever tried to turn your own designs into custom sticker label at home? Today's video is all about making that happen. I'll show you a simple and reliable way to create your sticker label using Cricut Maker. I'm working with the Cricut Maker 3, but if you're using the standard Cricut Explore Air 2, you're good to go. The steps are exactly the same. This tutorial is designed especially for beginners, so I'll take you through the entire process slowly and clearly. Before we start, let's quickly check that you have the required supplies ready. Cricut Explore Air 2, Cricut Design Space installed on computer, inkjet printer, letter size printable vinyl paper, Cricut standard grip mat. Once you have everything set up, let's jump right in and get started. Start by launching Cricut Design Space on your device. From the left-hand panel, select the text tool. Type in the text you want to use for your sticker. If this is for the first time, it's best to keep the design clean and simple. Customize your text by choosing a font you like and adjusting the text color. Play around with the settings until the design looks just right to you. Once your text is ready, click on the Offset tool at the top menu. This will create an outline around your text. Adjust the offset thickness and click on Apply. The offset layer will appear in black by default. To change it, click on the color box and select any color you prefer. Select the entire design, including both the text and the offset. Then click on Flatten in the bottom right corner. This combines everything into a single printable layer. Resize your sticker design. Since we're using letter size printable vinyl, we'll make sure multiple stickers fit on one page without overlapping. When you're satisfied with the size and layout, click on the Make button in the top right corner. After clicking on Make, you'll be taken to the Prepare screen where the design is set up for print. To print more than one sticker, enter the desired number under Project Copies, then click on Apply. You'll now see a preview showing how your stickers are arranged on the letter size papers. This lets you check the final placement. If the layout looks correct, click on Continue. Next, select Send to Printer. Confirm that your printer is connected and the printable vinyl is properly loaded. A print dialog box will appear. Choose your printer from the list and click on Print. Wait for the printer to finish printing your sticker sheet. Once printing is complete, carefully place the printed sheet onto your cutting mat, aligning it correctly. Return to Cricut Design Space. Select Printable Vinyl from the material list and follow the on-screen instructions. Power on your Cricut machine. Position the mat near the rollers and press the flashing load button to load the mat. Press the Go button and allow the machine to cut your stickers. When the cutting process is complete, press the flashing Load Unload button to remove the mat. Gently peel off your stickers and they're ready to stick wherever you like. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.